Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Macher kalia, that is Bengali style fish curry. Let's get started. First of all, take 6 to 8 pieces of Katla fish in a bowl. You may take rahu or any other sweetwater big fish of your choice. Marinate it with 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And keep aside for 10 minutes. Now pour 1/3 cup of mustard oil in a hot karai. When the oil is sufficiently hot, add pieces of fish one by one and fry on high flame. You should not fry on low or medium heat as there will be a chance of sticking the fishes at the bottom of the karai. After completion of frying, shift the fried fishes in a bowl. Let's fry one medium-sized, finely sliced onion until golden brown. And keep aside. Now make a paste of dry ingredients. For that, take a small bowl and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of kashmiri red chilli powder and little water. And make a paste. Keep it aside. Now heat the remaining oil on medium flame and add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Then add garam masala, that is 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamom, 3 cloves. When nice aroma comes out, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. When it caramelizes, add half teaspoon of salt, paste of 1 large sized onion and fry for some time until golden brown. Let's add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Fry for a while. When raw smell goes out, add 1 chopped small sized tomato and cook for some time. Now add previously made paste of dry masalas. When oil separates out, add 2 tablespoons of curd. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add 2 cups of hot water and make the flame medium. Cook the gravy for 2 minutes. Now add pieces of fish, four slightly slit green chilies, previously made fried onion, one-fourth teaspoon of garam masala powder, and cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Turn off the flame and give a standing time of 10 minutes. Macher kalia, that is Bengali style fish curry, is ready to serve with hot steamed rice. If you enjoy the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. Write your comments in the comment box. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.